AIO Launcher is a powerful Android application designed to provide users with an efficient and customizable home screen experience. Unlike traditional launchers, AIO Launcher emphasizes simplicity and functionality by displaying essential information and applications in a clean, organized layout. The app features a unique interface that combines shortcuts to apps, widgets, and system information all in one place. Users can access weather updates, notifications, calendar events, and other personalized content without navigating through multiple screens. This design allows for quick access to vital information while minimizing clutter. Customization options in AIO Launcher enable users to tailor the appearance and functionality to suit their preferences. Users can choose the layout, color schemes, and widgets, making it easy to create a personalized home screen that aligns with their style. Additionally, AIO Launcher is designed for efficiency, focusing on performance and speed, ensuring that users can quickly access their favorite apps and information without lag. Overall, AIO Launcher is an excellent choice for Android users seeking a streamlined, efficient, and customizable home screen experience.